Hi guys, so for this recipe, you're going to need a caramel topping of your choice. I'm using this one. You're going to need some vanilla extract, 3 teaspoons. You're also going to need condensed milk in a can, evaporated milk, 4 eggs, a super moist chocolate cake of your choice, and the ingredients in the back, which would be 1/4 cup of water, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and 3 eggs. Now let's continue. Also, you're going to need abundant pans such as this one and a deep dish pan, which you'll be adding water for the water bath. Preheat your oven at 425. You have your 4 eggs. You're going to add your evaporated milk. You're then going to add also your condensed milk. Don't forget your 3 teaspoons of your vanilla extract. You're going to whisk it until the eggs are totally blended and you don't see no more yellow yolks. So now the eggs and the mixture is all nicely mixed. I took my abundant pan, and I greased it up with this Pam spray. Now you could also use butter if you like, but I just decided to do the Pam. It was much quicker. Now you're going to take your caramel and just drizzle it in the bottom of the pan. Use as much as you like, and just keep doing that. Now you're going to add the mixture to the bottom, to the pan, and you see the caramels in there. Slowly add it. Once the mixture is in the abundant pan, you take a baking pan, a long one and a wide one where the abundant could fit in, and you're gonna add some water. Try to add water up to like almost half of the amount of the abundant pan. That's called the water bath, and then you put it to bake. So now the flan mixture is in the oven. Remember, it has to be in at a temperature of 425 at this time for 20 minutes. Now while the flan is in the oven, you're gonna take 1 1/4 cups of water, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and 3 eggs in order to make the cake mixture. Adding the eggs that I beat on the side. Okay, so I already took out the flan portion of the cake. At this point, you want to lower your temperature at 350. Remember, it was at 425. You lower it at 350. And we're going to slowly add our cake mixture. Slowly. Now that the cake bun is full, I'm going to take my aluminum foil to cover it, and I put a little bit of Pam spray on it so it doesn't stick. So it's in the oven. Remember, once again, has to be 350 degrees. And you're gonna set the timer for about 55 minutes. And we'll be back in 55 minutes. So it's been 55 minutes and I'm gonna take a knife and poke it to see if it comes out clean. If it comes out clean, then it's properly cooked, and if it's not, then you have to put it back in. You see? You see? So the try one more time. Totally clean. So I'm gonna take it out of the water bath, let it sit for about an hour and a half to cool down, and then remove it from the bundin pan. So after an hour of cooling down, I decided to just get it out of the bundin mold, and look how delicious it turned out. Oh my gosh. And then I'm gonna put it in the fridge because I like to eat it cold. But yeah, you guys, I hope you try this recipe out and let me know how it goes. Please consider subscribing, share and like, comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye.